Hi, I'm Dr. Mike Glassmeyer from First Impressions Family Dentistry in Antioch, Tennessee. And today we're going to be discussing ways that spaces between teeth can be closed without braces. Materials needed to close spaces will be either using filling material, a tooth-colored filling material we know is composite, or preparing the teeth for what we call veneers. Porcelain veneer is a porcelain shell or facing that slides on the front of the tooth. The purpose of a veneer is to reestablish contours, symmetry, length, and color. Reestablishing those things will aesthetically make it nicer. If veneers are prescribed, typically what will happen is the teeth need to be filed down and an impression or mold will be taken of the teeth. That will be sent off to the lab so that the veneers can be made. Once they've been returned from the lab, they'll be cemented on and verified for aesthetics. The other method of closing a space is using bonding, also which we typically use for tooth-colored fillings for fixing cavities. When small spaces are created in the front, we can use a small amount of bonding in between the teeth to naturally close the space without any sort of aggressive preparations or braces. In conclusion, there are multiple ways that spaces can be closed if one does not prefer braces. One of them being bonding or tooth-colored composite to close the spaces naturally. The other way is what's called a veneer, which is a facing where the tooth is prepared and filed down and a facing is slid over and cemented to the tooth.